One of the suspects in the $10 million Paris robbery of Kim Kardashian has died just as the case was set to go to trial. 72-year-old Marceau Baumgartner, the alleged super fence working with the robbers, died on March 6 in Paris, according to Daily Mail. His cause of death is unknown, and it seems that even the courts were unaware of his passing, as an official communiqué issued a week after his death names him as a defendant, due to appear at the Paris Assises Court next week. Marceau, who was known as Nez Râpé, or Rough Nose, the French equivalent of Rough Diamond, had multiple prior convictions for handling stolen goods, forgery, and robbery. Melania's blunt response to Trump as couple arrive for Pope's funeral. 6 shows CBS has canceled ahead of the 2025 to 2026 TV season. On October 3, 2016, while attending Paris Fashion Week, the reality star was robbed at gunpoint in her room at the Hôtel de Portales. 5 people dressed as police officers bound and gagged her, held her at gunpoint, and took off with approximately $10 million worth of jewelry. Kim was placed in the bathtub during the robbery and walked away physically unharmed, but was emotionally shaken by the incident, which she discussed in a 2017 episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. The Skims founder was set to testify in the trial, according to her U.S. lawyer Michael Rhodes, who stated, "We can confirm that Ms. Kardashian will be testifying in person at the upcoming French criminal trial involving the 2016 incident in which she was bound and robbed at gunpoint by a number of masked assailants." Marceau was allegedly tasked with finding buyers for Kim's possessions, including a $4 million engagement ring given to her by then-husband Kanye West that to this day has never been recovered. The 18.88-carat diamond and platinum engagement ring was classified 11, the purest type in the world. The ring also was signed LS for Lorraine Schwartz, the New York celebrity jewelry designer who has worked with A-listers like Beyoncé, Angelina Jolie, and Barbra Streisand. Rough Nose was first arrested in January 2017, after meeting regularly with 68-year-old Omar 8 Kadesh, who has since confessed to being the ringleader of the group after his DNA was found at the scene of the crime. A source told the Daily Mail, Mr. Baumgartner had been released on bail following his arrest over the Kim Kardashian robbery 8 years ago, and was living in Paris, while regularly reporting to police. His name was on the defendant's list for the trial, and he was very enthusiastic about clearing his name in court. This was until he died suddenly in the 10th arrondissement of Paris on March 6. The source went on to say, he was suspected of liaising with mafia gangs from across the world over the Kardashian jewelry, and criminals are known to have issued threats against him following widespread publicity connected to the case. Marceau refused to name any co-conspirators during the initial investigation, but there was a possibility that he would talk in exchange for a shorter prison sentence if he was found guilty.